Which bank has emerged as the top arranger of corporate bond deals 2020 and 21? Answer HDFC Bank. Who has been appointed as the new finance secretary in place of Ajay Bhushan Pandey? Answer TV Somanathan. Michael Collins, who has passed away, was a well-known. Answer astronauts. The first 3D printed house of India has recently been inaugurated by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at which place? Answer IIT Madras. Which state government hiked the financial assistance to rupees 51,000 for the beneficiaries of the Ashirwad scheme? Answer Punjab. The International Judge Day celebrated every year on which day? Answer 30 April. Which bank launched the digital and contactless banking platform Merchant Stack? Answer ICICI Bank. Name the MD and CEO of Axis Bank who has been reappointed for 3 more years on the post by the bank board. Answer Amitabh Chaudhary. Which state has started a unique oxygen wheels initiative? Answer Haryana. The Defender Europe 21 is a multinational military exercise being held under the leadership of the US Army with which organizational group? Answer NATO. The government has targeted how many million tons of mustard production by 2025 and 26? Answer 17 million tons. The Reserve Bank of India has joined the Central Banks and Supervisors Network for Greening the Financial System NGFS as a member. Where is the Secretariat of NGFS located? Answer Paris. What was the profession of Rohit Sardan who has passed away? Answer journalist. What is the global rank of Indian insurance major LIC in the 2021 Brand Finance Insurance 100 report that measures the most valuable insurance brand globally? Answer 10. As per report, India needs how much amount to fight climate change? Answer 400 billion. When is World Tuna Day observed globally? Answer May 2. Which state government has launched the Corona Warriors scheme? Answer Madhya Pradesh. Pandit Debu Chaudhary, who has passed away, was a legendary player of which musical instruments? Answer Sitar. How many Indian naval ships have been deployed under Operation Samudra Setu 2 to bring medical oxygen, cylinder and associated medical equipment from various countries to India? Answer 7. Max 1407 is a variety of which crop has been developed by the Indian scientists? Answer soybean. Who is the fourth deputy governor of the RBI who has been appointed in place of BP Kanungo? Answer T. Ravi Shankar. What is the estimated GDP growth rate for the Indian economy as per the rating agency Barclays for the financial year 2021 and 22? Answer 10%. When is World Laughter Day observed? Answer first Sunday of May. Who among these is not serving as one of the deputy governors at RBI? Answer Indradeep Sinha. The International Dawn Chorus Day is an annual observance to celebrate the sound of bird. When is the day observed? Answer first Sunday May. The Indian Army inaugurated the first solar energy harnessing plant of 56 kVA in which state? Answer Sikkim. Thisara Perera has announced his retirement from international cricket. He was playing for which country? Answer Sri Lanka. The Himachal Pradesh has committed to achieving the Har Ghar Jal target by which year? Answer July 2022. Chandra Tomar, who has passed away at the age 89, was known as the world's oldest player in which sports event? Answer: shooting. Mark Selby has become the world champion for the fourth time. He is associated with which sports event? Answer: snooker. Coal Miners' Day is observed every year on which day in India? Answer: May 4. Who has received the third highest award of Japan, Order of the Rising Sun? Answer: Shyamala Ganesh. What is the slogan of World Hand Hygiene Day 2021? Answer: Seconds Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. Who is the winner of the 2021 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Answer: Maria Ressa. Which movie won the Best Film Jury at 11th Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival 2021? Answer: Jungle Cry. In which state India's first electric tractor has been tested? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Which ministry has announced to set up pressure swing adjacent medical oxygen plants 581 sites in various states? Answer: Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. M.K. Stalin sworn in as the Chief Minister of which Indian state? Answer: Tamil Nadu. Mamata Banerjee has been sworn in how many times as the Chief Minister of West Bengal? Answer: third. When is the International No Diet Day celebrated? Answer: May 6.